So the next stop on my insulation crusade is in this little storage space under the landing inside the front door. And there was all insulation over there, which I've already pulled out and put in the garbage bag. And then there was all insulation up in this area, which I've pulled out and put over here. Because of the way that it was cut, I was planning on just laying it out on top of the new insulation, tracing it, and cutting it the same way. But then when I went in here, then I'm pulling stuff out. Hold on, let me get the light in proper placement. And I'm noticing that up on this ledge, there's stuff and things. Meanwhile, over here, it seems we had a tenant that may not have been paying rent probably previously, because underneath here, when we moved in, there were like holes under the stoop, which we've obviously filled in with new cement. But something tells me in previous winters, someone took shelter in here and left behind all these piles of their turd that I now have to clean up, which is just lovely. And you can see how bad the draft is from outside. It's freezing in here by how quickly whatever that dingleberry is that's moving is shaking. I don't really know what's in this hole. I can't really see. So hopefully I get the light in a place that'll allow me to see. Not really. I was hoping that this would get in here, but the handle is in the way. Hold on. I want to see if there's any critters living in here, / what is in here. I have to get a flashlight. Alright, I got the flashlight. Let's see what we're dealing with in here. It looks like insulation of some sort. I don't know what this gap is. This stoop was built in a very Shambo way, clearly. I want to make sure there's nothing dead under here before I start sealing it up. I don't think there is. I feel like I probably would have smelt it already, but you can't be too sure. I just want to be 100% sure. What the fuck? That brick is the outside of the house. So this is very interesting the way they did all this. Try and insulate this the best that I can. I don't know that it's going to be very good. And I don't know what the hell is going on here. This is the front wall of the house, so that is outside / the garage. This is insane. So here is the final product of Project Understairs insulation. I need to get more insulation for this pipe because that is a hot water pipe going to the radiator. Actually, I probably don't even need to anymore. It's so warm under here, but I insulated the whole roof. There's like 2 layers of insulation in this gap, which is between here and the outside underneath the stoop, which I don't feel a draft at all anymore. It's probably like 30 degrees warmer under here than it was.